Hi, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap, and I am Plaid About You. This is our newest special release collection. Yes, it's called Plaid About You, and as you can see, we have some gorgeous prints here in the box. It includes 2 of this darker plaid pattern and then 2 light plaid. And then we accompany that with a beautiful assortment of cardstocks. 2 sheets of this linen textured burgundy, 2 light green, 2 craft, 2 navy papers, 2 white linen, and then 2 dark green. This whole collection is complemented with 2 sheets of printed cut-aparts. We include these because they make finishing your pages so much easier with the border strips, the titles, tags, journaling prompts, and other kit images. We have 3 lovely ribbons to coordinate with your collection. This is 1 inch wide and it's a grosgrain edge with this texture in the center area, 3/8 inch wide light green satin, and finally this beautiful navy plaid with some metallic gold. Other goodies in the kit include 3 4-leaf clover woodcuts, 3 adorable burgundy tassels, 3 heart-shaped buttons wrapped in plaid fabric, 2 double infinity charms in bronze, and a really sweet little key with a 4-leaf clover on top. This is a beautiful collection, but it wouldn't be complete without our thorough instructions. So when you get your box, you can download and print the instructions for yourself, and then you'll be able to watch a full video where I'll walk you through trimming every sheet of paper and then exactly how to assemble the 8 layouts you can make with everything that comes in the kit. And here are those completed pages. Now you don't have to follow my instructions. You can do whatever you want with the contents of the box. But the joy here is that when you're finished making these pages, there's nothing left to store or organize. All that you need to do is add your photos and memories and your pages will be complete and you're gonna be thrilled. I hope you give this Plaid About You kit a try. And if you're not already a member of Club Scrap, consider joining us. We'd love to have you.